Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to enable or disable full screen optimization Windows 11. You can configure the optimization only for one application. In this case, in the search box, enter Google. Right-click on Google Chrome and select Open File Location. Now you will right-click on the shortcut to choose Properties. Here, go to the Compatibility tab. You can check or no the box, disable full screen optimizations to use or not this function. Apply the changes. After this, in the search box, enter Regedit. Open the registry editor and click Yes to authorize. You must go to the path you see on the screen. Here, right-click on some free space to choose the new option and then, toward 32-bit value, you must assign the name you see on the screen. Then double-click on this created value and in the value data field, assign the number 2. Click on OK. You will restart the system to complete this process and apply the changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.